Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Sun City Movement. My name is Rick and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the double Kong vault. Step 1. The takeoff. The number one mistake that I see people make when they're running up to their obstacle that they're going to do their double Kong vault off of is they plant both of their feet together just like this. Taking off with this technique is bad because all the forward momentum that you have running up to the obstacle is stopped suddenly. So instead you want to try to do the split foot technique. By using the split foot technique, you'll be able to continue your forward momentum, allowing you to clear the obstacle ahead of you. The split foot technique should look like this. One foot should be in front of the other, or as the name implies, your feet should be split. Another important thing to remember when you're running up to your obstacle is that your arm should always be behind you instead of in front of you. You also want to crouch low in front of the object. By putting these two moves together, you'll be able to gain height. Gaining height is important as it will allow your legs to travel behind you while you're doing your double Kong vault so that you can clear the obstacle ahead. One progression that you guys can practice is called the pop-up. So it should look like this. Doing the pop-up will help you get used to planting your hands on the table, taking them off, and planting them on again. As you get comfortable doing the pop-up, you want to be able to eventually clear the table. One way to practice clearing the table is to stand on top of the table without running up to it, and you want to vault off of the end of it, just like I'm going to show you here. If your feet cleared without clipping it, then good job. If it doesn't, you may need to repeat this move. Now you're finally ready to try doing the double Kong vault. If at any time when you're doing the double Kong vault you feel like you're about to clip the table, you can always practice throwing your body to the side of you. Or you can do a safety roll to safely roll out of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Now here's a slow-mo analysis.